Yo, YouTube, what's good? I'm back with another video. You know, I said I was done with props and all that, man. But to be honest, I love this shit, bro. I cannot lie to you. I love it. I love it. Wouldn't say I'm addicted, but I'm gonna say I love it. So I'm gonna go over the trades that I saw and the trades that I took this week. This week was not very good as far as like price action wise for me and my technical analysis. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Monday, Gold gave this H4R at ERS setup, which was fucking beautiful. But it occurred before I woke up, and it also didn't give an entry. So yeah, that was that trade on Monday. Monday also gave this trade on NQ, and I was bearish. It was H4R to ERL, and I was bearish because of the weekly RL tag on Dow Jones last week, and we created SMT, and we had the market structure shift. Like the clean displacement below the swing line, everything. Leaving the fat bake out, everything. So I was bearish. But I also had in mind that I was like, okay, cool. We bearish. Well, I'm bearish on the higher time frame. But NQ started off just like dying, like stupid low because of the announcement of DeepSeek or whatever. So that kind of like drove Nasdaq down. If you know, you know. If you don't know, do your homework, bro. So and that's how I was still kind of bearish. I'm like, okay, boom. If anything, we're gonna come to this week with ERL, and that setup lined up perfect with it. So I executed like to the T. That's really what I've been focusing on now since I unfortunately blew the last evaluations I had with Top Step. And then I read that book that I told y'all about, Trading the Zone by Mark Douglas. It's really just been like mental work for me, like mental work. Like I know what worked for me or whatever and what don't work. So it was just putting that structure. So that's what I really been focusing on. Not even really chasing the money. Like it's crazy to say that, but well, it sounds crazy from my perspective. Well, let me hearing it, it's like it's kind of crazy, but I'm not chasing no money at all. Like I'm really just executing my process and letting the probabilities play out and managing risk. So we took this trade. Yeah, I think this is the furthest it came down. Then I went break even right before I had to go to work. So this was right before I went to work, and I was just gonna let it run. And then it got close to the time where I had to close with my fund and futures. So I ended up closing for like a small profit of like $300. This was another trade. This trade came on Dow Jones Monday, and like same shit, basically same shit. If you use this right here, the entry came before I woke up. There was this right here. This came after, so like, but I didn't take it because, like I said, I was bearish on the weekly, so I'm not fading the higher time frame. That's the one thing in my rules. So my higher time frame was bearish, so I was bearish, so I didn't take it. So Tuesday, not sure if this was a break or not to the daily volume imbalance. Not 100% sure, or was it this? But either way it go, I didn't take this trade because of FOMC. This was the day before FOMC, and I don't really like trading the day before FOMC, so I didn't take it. Ethereum had a beautiful setup though. Didn't take this because I don't trade Ethereum. I need to start trading crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they have good setups too. But I just, you know, I don't trade it on. I can't trade it on prop firms. So, but that's something I need to look into. This is the trade I just took today, this morning. So this trade was ass because you created an SMT right here at the bottom with silver, but and silver was a stronger asset. My rules say take the stronger or the weaker asset, whichever is correlated to like the setup or whatever, right? So silver was stronger. I'm going to show you. Silver was the stronger asset. We created this SMT right here. Right here, we created it. It's 6. So I'm like, okay, okay. No, it's like right here. It's like right here. So it's 7. So okay, boom. So this should be valid. This right here, this change state delivery should hold. We got news at 8:30 came down, would have been stopped, right? Would have been stopped. Look what it did on gold. It did not. what's the name, creating more SMT. So I'm like, okay. So now this is the stronger one. It's a smaller SMT, but it's the stronger asset now. By the time I realized that was respecting the order block, just changed state delivery, man, it was too late. It had already bounced off and it was like up here. Cause I was so focused on looking at silver, following my rules and my process that I didn't pay attention to it. And then I seen this, I'm like, okay, boom, market shift. And I got in, I wanna say this is my exact entry. And I closed my TP at 2R of the change in state of delivery. So I didn't get much out of it. I got like I think it was another $300, 200 or something, 250. It wasn't much. It wasn't much, but yeah, I didn't really get much to work with this week. We made money though. We made money. We made money, but I didn't get really much to work with. So yeah, I ended the week. Just in case y'all thought I was lying, I ended the week up a little over 500. So hopefully next week hopefully we get trades, whatever we get. But as long as I'm following my process, I'm Gucci. I really don't care what happens as long as I'm following my process to the T and managing risk. So yeah, if I post this, I mean I guess that means I'm back posting videos every week, following these evaluations that I'm on. I think it's pretty sure it's three. Yeah, it's three starter places with my friend the futures. So 150K possible, but yeah. If I don't post, then that mean I'm not. I'm just gonna hold this video until later on, until probably until I pass the challenges. But yeah, we'll see.